Hello, my name is Madsen and I'm a researcher of the Institute of Control System from the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. And what you just saw is a modular plant. So what does modular plant means? Basically, you just want to plug in your module and then start producing. For example, here, you just go there and connect your process connector. And then connect your information pro connector, and then the module type package takes over. It's a standardized interface, so the process orchestration layer can integrate it, and we are done. But what does have to happen from a security point of view? Currently, there's no detailed analysis of the module type package for the security perspective. So this is where I come in, and we take a look at right now some aspects here. So one point would be the integrity of the MTP itself. It's a container format, so we want to transport it and we have to verify that it wasn't tampered with on the transport. Normally you would use a signature therefore, and then you can calculate the hash of the MTP and verify it against the signature and be sure that no tampering has happened. But right now there isn't a mention of using a signature in the MTP, and there are some technical details which should be considered. Another point would be the update of software. So in a process automation plant, which is modular, we are going to have a much more complex stakeholder structure. So for example, peer manufacturer, different peer manufacturers, different automation suppliers, and the operator itself. And right now there isn't a sufficient solution therefore, and more research would be beneficial. If you're interested in these topics and furthermore, you can look into my paper and I'm open for a discussion.